Anurag hardly says no to any suggestions of mine. Be it the name or the scene or the dialogue, my improvisation, he trusts me.
But you guys had a fallout though, I mean, because you're talking about chemistry.
Yes,
Yeah.
A huge one. I had fallout with Mr. Ram Gopal Verma too. I used to be very angry. I used to be not an easy person to deal with.
Which would be Satya, where you also introduce Anurag Kashyap to Ram Gopal Verma.
Yeah.
Right? And
There are many guys actually. It's be it Aditya Srivastava
Right.
or Saurabh Shukla or Anurag.
So you introduce all these people to Ram Gopal
Ram
Verma.
Gopal Verma because he was looking for talents.
Right.
And my job was to get those talents to him. Okay. Before Anurag, one or two writers he tested, on my recommendation, but somewhere he was not happy.
Right.
So I took Anurag with me, and they gelled very well. And Anurag was hugely talented even at the age of 21, 22. Most of the time I was quite mesmerized by this young boy, who was so passionate about cinema, so well read, and so passionate about his books and DVDs and cassettes
Right.
and cinema and the news about cinema. It was so pleasant to hear him, to talk to him. So I would say that I was lucky to have met him. More than him feeling lucky that I took him to Ram Gopal Verma. Actually, it was the other way around for me. Or Saurabh Shukla for that. Such huge talented guys with Ram Gopal Verma, they made it happen.
Yeah, I mean that's what led to what became the factory,
Yeah.
lasting a good decade and a half,
Yeah.
almost, like making films while being in mainstream but not being mainstream, almost
Yeah.
like heralding a whole.
I always give. So many actors working today, so many actors of this generation are successful, but none of them know one thing, that it was Ram Gopal Verma and that Lord
Right.
really changed the whole.
Landscape
landscape
of Lokhandwala.
No, landscape of Hindi film industry.
Hindi film industry, yes.
Yeah, what we see today, it was changed then. And I also remember how stubbornly one man, Ram Gopal Verma, went around, marketing his films, Satya, Shul, Kod, going to each and every big star, big distributor, big producers and financiers, showing them the stills, getting them excited about the projects. It was.
And he's a master narrator too.
Master,
Right.
Right. So that's why I say I'm all, lifelong indebted to that guy.
Right.
We had our ups and downs. At the end of the day, Manoj Bajpayee shouldn't forget, or so many of us shouldn't forget one thing, that it was that guy, because of whom we are here. This industry is the way it is today.
Right. And I mean, personally for you, and this is why I believe that Satya was, from an intent point of view, a flop film, because the movie is called Satya, right? And the hero is actually Bhikkhu Matre. I mean, you became the hero for that movie through and through.
I mean,
did you see that coming? Like, because the title role is actually Satya's.
You know what?
I'm sure this
every day
Chakravarti feels terrible about what happened to him, given that movies called Satya and Bhikkhu Matre became the dude.
Let's give due credit to Chakravarti, because somewhere Ramu was very clear that he wanted Chakravarti kind of a actor, or his kind of a look for Satya. We were looking at Mumbai and the reality of Mumbai from his eyes.
Right.
He was not supposed to be one Bhikkhu Matre.
Right.
He was supposed to be a quiet guy coming from outside, and through his journey, you were getting introduced to this big bad world of Mumbai. He's done what he was supposed to do. Okay.
He was playing Ramu,
was
rolling his eyes, looking at the world.
So Chakravarti and me became very good friends. Even till now, we are fabulous with each other. But from that time till now, 21 years has gone by. When we are talking about Satya, I still can't believe that I'm still so handsome.
You should be able to believe it's you. You see yourself in the mirror every day, right? But
I'm just joking. Yeah.
but I was getting to the point of you doing the lead role. So technically speaking, Bhikkhu Matre is not the lead role of a film called Satya. Would Shul be your first lead role?
It was my lead role. I always consider that Bhikkhu Matre is the lead role of the film. Yeah, is the lead role. And every day, when we were shooting for that film, every day used to be a moment for me. After every shot of mine, whenever I was delivering anything or doing anything, The entire crew, including the lightmen and the sport boys, they used to gather there for my shot,
Right.
and they used to clap.
You could feel some magic happening.
Yeah, but they used to clap.
Right.
As if some theatre show is happening. After every shot, I used to hear, as if the standing ovation is happening. It could easily, ruin my head, or ruin things for me. But I kept on telling myself, Manoj Bajpayee, that's not true. That's not true. Stick to the character. Stick to the character. And
Don't go overboard.
Yeah, don't go
Right.
overboard.
Right.
But one thing I was very sure of was the pitch of Bikumar. Because one or two guys came up to me and said, Manoj, pitch thoda high nahi hai. No. Please don't touch it. Don't question it. I know what exactly I'm trying to do. This pitch is just right. And after so many years, when I see, Wolf of the Wall Street, I say DiCaprio's pitch is just right. Even a sur niche and a sur upar will spoil it.
Right.
The pitch does the magic.
You took another pitch with Shul though. That was more like
Yeah.
an angry in your face, angry sort of way.
and very introverted. You're internalizing all the pain and the misery, and that's why in the end he goes mad. So that I want to give that twist to the character, that you can't win the system. System kills you in the end. So in the end he goes mad. The film ends with he starts shouting Jai Hind, and he just snap off. Or the Con that we shot, I changed the character right on the set on the first day.
Really?
So whatever we prepared, Ramu and all our Anurag and me, whatever we prepared, I went on the set. I was not happy. Somewhere I feeling that we are not doing it right. My character, the whatever I have prepared is just not right for the film. So I went to Ramu. Anurag was sitting there, cameraman was there, and I said, Ramu, I will perform it for you. Just see how it sounds. So the alternative plan that I had
Became the movie.
I became the movie.
Right.
Yeah. So I showed it to him. He jumped up. He said, "Why didn't you tell me?" I said, "I was so bloody scared that you guys will kill me because you want me to play so mysterious in the movie. You are taking away the fun part of it."
Right.
So,
So it became goofier, you mean? Like those funny faces.
what
and-
happens?
Yeah.
The idea was the person who's coming from outside is an unknown guy. You are with Urmila
Right.
from the beginning.
Right.
So you were thinking the killer is, roaming outside. So audience knows the killer is outside.
Right.
So any person who is coming in is going to be considered a killer.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
So they wanted me to play very serious. Hello? Is there anybody there? Can I come in? Like that.
Right.
For me, this guy, I wanted to make him very goofy. It's like a salesman
Right.
coming to your door saying, sir, ये हार्पिक बहुत अच्छा होता है, ये बहुत अच्छा है, सुनिए ना, मैडम, सुनिए ना, ये हार्पिक इसके साथ एक और फ्री मिलेगा. So I wanted to make him.
Right. So that I don't believe as an audience that he's the killer or
He's
could
the
be.
killer. Could
Right.
be.
Yeah.
Could
maybe
be.
not.
Yeah, maybe not.
Hmm.
And also he's adding the fun part of it, and no matter how funny he looks like, he's still funny. You don't know whether to laugh or to be scared.
Right.
That was the thing I wanted to do, and we decided to do it on the first day of the shoot.
Crazy. Did you shoot it simultaneously or back to back? Con and Shul? Would there be?
No, Satya, we shot Satya.
Yeah.
Satya was in the editing.
Con was being shot.
Con was being shot.
And then came Shul.
Yeah.
Of course. I think one of the things that you added to Shul is the fact that the lead character was called Sanjay Pratap Singh.
Right.
And you changed the name to Samar Pratap Singh.
Yeah.
And what I find fascinating is that so there is a Manoj Kumar in the world,
Right.
who's named after a character in a film of Dilip Kumar. So he took on the name Manoj Kumar. You are called Manoj because of Manoj Kumar by your parents,
Yeah.
but you wanted to call yourself Samar and actually officially change your name.
Have you been to Bihar lately?
No, not immediate,
Okay.
not like
So if you go to Bihar, you will find every second person's name is Manoj.
that's a very common name, is it? Okay.
Yeah, Manoj cycle wala, Manoj puncture wala, Manoj litti wala, Manoj bhuja wala. So I realized in those days that Manoj has become quite common. So I have to have a name which is very uncommon. I had this fascination with names. So I thought of this name Samar from my theatre days, that I'll change it to Samar, but I couldn't change it. Bandit Queen got released. My plan was all ruined. Okay.
Like you wanted your screen name to be Samar.
Samar, yeah.
Right. Why Samar though?
I don't know, I found it, Samar means battle.
Okay.
Okay, it is a battle. I enjoy it. And even the sound of it.
Right.
Yeah, and easy,
Yeah.
easy to pronounce.
If you had a son, you would have called him Salman for sure.
I think so. Yeah.
I presume
Yeah.
so. Yeah, because you couldn't call yourself.
Yeah.
Right.
But my designer has taken this name and gave it to his son.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's gone now.
Yeah, he's gone now. So finally, I had this name, and I realized that Sanjay, the character of Shul cannot be Sanjay. He cannot be. He can't be Vijay. He can't be Sanjay.
Right.
He
It's too much Vijay also, no?
Yeah, it's too much.
Sounds too similar to Vijay.
Yeah.
Right.
He can't be. He should be somebody, but his name should reflect his intent, because this is a very stubborn kind of a guy who's not saying anything but his duty, morality. I suggested this name to Anurag, and my chemistry with Anurag is such that even today, Anurag hardly says no to any suggestions of mine. Be it the name or the scene or the dialogue, my improvisation, he trusts me.
Right.
And that chemistry is there from that time.
Right.
So he kind of agreed to
But you
it.
guys had a fallout though, I mean, because you're talking about chemistry.
Yes,
Yeah.
a huge one. Yeah.
You were supposed to do his first film, of course, that didn't eventually
I
release.
wanted to. I
much.
was going to co-produce actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to co-produce. I was trying to find a finance for it, but he was in too much of a hurry, and he somehow presumed in his crazy mind that I'm not interested, which now he realizes that he was done. It was his mistake
Which was the reason for the fallout you're saying? At some
from
level?
his side.
From his side.
Yeah, not from my side. I always say that God doesn't give talent to everyone. There are very few ones who are talented. That's why I more than anything, I love talent. I love them. I simply love them. There are very few talented people here. You'll find lucky people here, but you'll find
Or hardworking people.
Hardworking
Yeah.
people, but
Yeah.
talented are very few.
Right.
And when you see talented people, you should really make sure that they are around you. And I make sure surrounding myself with talented people or being with them. So Anurag is a talent that I am very proud of. I am very proud of knowing him. I'm very proud of being such a crucial part of his life or the career, in the beginning of his career. But over the years I realized that Anurag is also a loner. So if you meet him 3 days in a row, he'll start hating you.
That sounds psychotic to me, not loner.
He's a
Why should I
loner.
hate?
Yeah, he'll run away. He'll run away. I'm telling you.
Yeah?
Yeah. So it's better not to call him. Better not to be in touch with him.
Right.
He himself comes back to you. So yeah, I mean my relationship with him is such. There were many of my friends that I had a fallout with. I had fallout with Mr. Ram Gopal Verma too. I used to be very angry. I used to be not an easy person to deal with. I'm very sensitive.
You're speaking in past tense.
Past tense. Everything is all taken care of. Many of my friends, and now all of us are again back to each other.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.